Hello from Slovenia. I'm still practicing spiral flower dips, and I will try to do one again. I will start with orange and some gold. And magenta. And maybe my paint is too thick. I have these pipettes. I will try to do it with pipettes. And let this metallic rose. I have some Windsor purple too. And I think that I will let just a little more of magenta here. And I will add a little, maybe I will do it around. This is metallic silver. It's almost white, so I hope that I will get some nice lacing out of this. I will just slightly press this canvas down, not too much, and lift it. And I don't like it at all. and I didn't press here enough because I have blank canvas here and here. Oops. We'll just grab some white and my fingers are contaminated, so I should have used I just don't like this pattern, so we'll just, I don't know, what I want to do. Maybe do some patterns, kind of, and redip it, and I will see what will happen. Some magenta. Definitely my paint is too thick. And I will maybe add a little bit of this metallic gold. And some orange. It's empty. So this rose metallic maybe. Let's see if we can fix this. I think that I like this more, but still not what I was hoping for. So but I like the skin. Whoops. I hope that I will get some nice painting out of this skin, because this what is on the canvas, I don't know. I will probably paint over, I don't know, or maybe not. I will see when it will dry. It has some nice details, but I don't know. Just don't like this spot here. I will take you for a close-up. So here is canvas. I really like this part here. I just trying to show you without a glare. But I'm not sure about the whole thing. But I love this skin. Just want to show you these gorgeous details. So this one was not what I want again, but that's why I experiment. So I can learn and you can learn, and hope that we will get some nice results maybe next time. If we can't, not if we can't get every pour the way that we like, or just me, I don't know. But it's not ugly, but I was expecting something else, like the details, but not the whole painting again. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.